How clearly do you know what you really want in life? Most people say, I just want to be happy, but they never actually sit down and imagine what that life looks like. That's why the vision board exists. Because the mind believes what it sees, and when you see your dreams every single day, your subconscious starts working to make them real. But be careful. Most people make a vision board, and it never works. Why? Because they only cut and paste pictures. They forget the most important part behind the board: intention, emotion, energy. Today, I'll show you step by step how to create a vision board that actually works. And if you do it right, it won't just be a board. It will be the first page of a new version of your life. A vision board is a visual map of the life you want to create. Our brains respond to images more than words. The more you see something, the more real it becomes. There's even a scientific explanation for this. In our brain, there's a filter called the RDS, the Reticular Activating System. It guides you toward the images and ideas you feed your subconscious. So a vision board doesn't send commands to the universe, it sends them to your brain. That's why, when you create your board, you shouldn't choose things that just look nice. Choose the life you truly want to live, because those images are like new codes you upload into your subconscious mind. The clearer, more meaningful, and more emotional they are, the more your brain starts creating paths to reach them. So a vision board isn't just decoration. It's actually a tool for programming your future. Now, let's look at how you can create it step by step. Step 1. Get clear on what you want. Before you start your board, ask yourself, what do I really want in life? Not just material things. How do I want to feel? Peace? Freedom? Success? Remember, the universe doesn't respond to words. It responds to emotions. Step 2. Collect your images. Find inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, or your own photos. Choose visuals that make you feel excited and alive. Step 3. Organize by categories. Divide your board into sections: career and abundance, love and relationships, spiritual growth, health and lifestyle, self-care and inner peace. For each area, paste an image that truly represents you. When you place your pictures, don't just pick what you like, pick what you feel. As you look at each image, say to yourself, "This is already my reality." Write short affirmations beneath them. I am surrounded by abundance. I love myself and I am safe. Life always supports me. Take your time. This board isn't just a reflection of you, it's the program for your future. After you finish, place your vision board somewhere you can see it every morning. Every time you look at it, feel that emotion again. Even 30 seconds a day is enough for your subconscious to receive the message, "This is what I want." And the universe will start sending you little coincidences that guide you there. A vision board is not just a board, it's a preview of your future life. And remember, when you believe in what you see, one day you'll become what you believed. If this video found you, it's not a coincidence. Your soul is ready. Comment below, "I'm ready for my dreams." Maybe your intention will inspire someone else too.